Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share the items that I've got from the third and final chapter of Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami collaboration. So as we guys all know that the collection was released last May 2022 of this year. Let me share you guys a little bit of my in-store experience. So on that release date, I went into our flagship store and it's just around like 15 minutes from our home. And on that day, I didn't even bother to check online because I know there is going to be a glitch. So anyway, I arrived there at around 10:30 in the morning. So the store opens at 10. So I was surprised, like, oh my God, there is no line inside compared to the first and second drop. I mean, there's a lot of people outside. Right away, I was paired with the sales associate and I told him right away what I wanted. And oh my gosh, he was very rude. Anything that I wanted for the collection, he said, no, nothing else. Nothing else he said, but no. So right away I walked out and no, I just didn't really want to deal with that, negativity at all. So I walked out and then 15 minutes later, I walked back in and I was paired with another sales associate and she is very, very nice. So right away I told her what I wanted and she went straight at the back and grabbed all the items that are available. And on top of that, she actually showed me the items that are available in store. So I was just checking around and the first thing that caught my eye that were actually available are the denim. Anyway, let me show you a little bit of the cherry packaging, and this is unexpected and I believe that this is one of the most elegant Louis Vuitton packaging up to date. We have the shopping bag, as you guys can see right there. The cherry, it looks like it's like a sticker right there. It's beautiful. So when you purchase anything from the collection, you will get the packaging. It also came in with this beautiful tag right here. Beautiful. Right there. And also with this lovely box as well. There. Yeah. So I think if you went to the boutique on that day, most likely you would get the entire packaging. I don't know about online because I have not ordered anything online. All of these are in-store order and I totally love the packaging. Just the packaging itself, when I think of it, it's everything is worth it. So anyway, let me show you the first items that I've got finally. So I have here the Bundo. And this one is in brown color. So I believe they've released 3 different colors. So we have the brown right here. So there are cherries all around it. Those cerise. All right. It's beautiful. And this one is made up of 100% silk. So this is the side. And then the other side is just plain monogram. Over here. So I got this lovely Bundo. And next we have the white color. This is my all-time favorite. Over here. The pattern is similar to the brown one, but the only difference is the color. And then the other side as well. It's just plain. Right here. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is the very first item that were sold out. It was sold out in minutes, this one right here. And then the third one I have here, this is my favorite as well, my all-time favorite. It is more of like, well, this is not denim, it's more of like kind of mimic the denim, but this one is made up of 100% silk right there. Wow, this one is gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so I got a couple of these, a couple of each of those colors, and I have already given them away to my family, this one. And then I've got this lovely blue color. Oh gosh, this is my favorite. And the other side is the same thing. It's just the plain monogram, and I think this is so pretty. I love it. And I kept two of these. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I haven't used this one yet. Very nice. I love it. Yeah. So the next item that I've also got is the notebook right here, so you guys could see. This one is around $100, and also this is very popular as well. Right here, very nice. And I'm not really sure with, maybe this one, yeah, I think this is screen printed with the canvas, and I don't know, it feels like it's sticky to me for some reason. That's my thought. It feels really sticky, but regardless, it is stunning. If you wanted to get something, just, you know, something that's not so expensive from the collection, this is perfect. But it is really hard to get. It's really hard to acquire all of those that are actually less than $500. They are really hard to get. So this is how it looks right there, and then back right here. And it says my most favorite part is this part right here. It says the 20th year anniversary celebration. And then, yeah, this is my most favorite part of the notebook. It looks like the notebook it looks weird. I don't know, probably on how I stored it, but it's a little bit like curving over here. Yeah, it's weird. So this is the notebook, and I got two notebooks, so you guys can see that's how I am obsessed with this print right here. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. And this one is more flatter, and I don't know with the other one, but regardless, I haven't used this. I just put this one in display at home right here. Wow, the cherries are lovely. And moving on to the next item. So the next item is right here. Wow, the passport cover. So this is one of the first item that she offered to me aside from the bags, and right away I put this one aside. Over here, let me just show you a little bit of the print. So this one is actually, I don't know what sort of technique that they used for the cherries, and when you look at it from afar, it looks stunning. It is captivating. So that's what I love about it. And also you could see that this one right here, if it's against the light, you could literally see the cherries are more of like, it's like there's a reflection of the light in it. You could see the reflection, which makes it even more stunning. So while the sales associate was at the back looking for the items, I was checking the entire store and the other items. It took her probably at least 20 minutes at the back, getting all the items, getting all the merchandise. And I was just looking around, and right away I saw this Speedy 20. The Speedy 20 is already part of my wish list. That's what I wanted for the collection. And when I saw the cherries printed like this one is no longer new from Louis Vuitton. And if you guys have seen the Yayoi Kusama, the infinity dots, I think they were actually printed on the same technique as what they've used for the cherries. All right, it's not like we've never seen it before. So anyway, I checked this Speedy 20, and I don't know, for some reason doesn't really appeal to me because of the cherries. It looks like a press on stickers. I was just not impressed by it. That is just my honest thought. And I said, okay, I was a little bit disappointed. And on that day, I was astonished of how much product that they have on display. So they have a lot of items, a lot of purses outside in the glass. They have also several inside and also at the back as well. And that was the first time I have seen that they have so many in display compared to the first and second drop. They have a ton. So anyway, for the Speedy 20, it was available, but I wasn't convinced for that. For the passport, I secured it right away, and I was thinking, it took me a while to decide if I wanted to get the Speedy 20. Like I mentioned, I was not impressed with the cherries. So this is the passport cover. This is the interior. It's so lovely. And I think, yeah, I still have the tag here. I haven't used it. This is $555 US. Look at those characters over here. So this is just a regular passport. And you guys probably already know the design, the interior of this. Love this beautiful, beautiful red color. My gosh, it's stunning. This one is pretty. So next item, the last item that I've got, even though it took me a while to film this. That's because I'm still waiting for the rest of the items. But probably the one that I've been wanting, it's probably not meant for me, and I was very, very disappointed. But anyway, the last item that I've got is, wow, this beautiful, lovely mini Speedy Charm. And wow, look at that. She is stunning. Those cherries right there. So when I was at the boutique, I was trying to compare the canvas and the denim. And if there's anything that I wanted to get of all the purses that they have, it will be the denim ones, because it is embroidered and I love the denim color. And also I wanted to get the pochette accessoire, but that one is the first items that were sold out. And also my other option is the Speedy 20. Like I said, I prefer this print, the embroidered cherries, over the script. I'm not sure what type of technique, once again, because I'm so used to screen printed ones. So I prefer this over the other one. So look at that. Look how intricate those. Wow, it's so pretty. It is so lovely. So anyway, I wasn't able to get exactly what I wanted. And also this is already also what I wanted for the collection. And definitely I will be using this as a bag charm. So pretty. Yeah, it is a Speedy Bundo. It's in the mini side. And yeah, this one is functional. Right here. Yeah, it is functional with the zipper. It has a very shiny gold hardware, and then the glazing, for some reason, it looks like more of like an orange color. So the glazing is entirely different on this. It is very light. And this is the product information. So yeah, I was very happy and pleased with all the items that I've got, but I know the most difficult part, because my sister wanted to get the Bundo. The Bundo is really, really hard to get, and she wasn't able to get what she wanted. And also, guys, let me also remind you that a lot of their items are still, I think they replenished them. I was at the store for the past few days, and they have replenished a lot of those items from the first chapter, the second chapter, and the third chapter. So now, while I was at the boutique a few days ago, I have actually seen several items from the third chapter, from the cherries, especially the Kusan bag. And I think the Kusan bag did not sell well at all. And also the Never Full. The Never Full it's pretty, but there's just way too many cherries around it. And also that that little pouch that came with it, the cherries were missing. So I don't know exactly what had happened, but if you are still in a hunt for any of these from the first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, you might want to reach out with your sales associate. I'm not sure on if you're calling the 1-800 number, the client services. I am not really sure, because when I was at the store, because I was shopping for my birthday, and she showed me all the items, the entire items that are available for the collection. And there is a lot. There is plenty of items to choose from. A lot of those items that she have shown me are highly sought after pieces. And like I've mentioned, if you are, if you know anybody from those flagship store that are participating for the collection, you might want to contact them, or you could contact your sales associate, and hopefully you'll get what you wanted. But as far as I know, there is a lot of restocked items for the collection. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.